Hold on. What's going on, Mom? It ain't on cool. They're all on auto, Mommy. I put them all on auto. What are you doing?
Nothing. It ain't working.
Hi.
Hi.
This is my room.
Yeah, we're having unit problems. Our units aren't working right.
Hi.
This should be going whoosh. That's going.
Wasn't that too bad?
But it's not having now. If I feel cool, but it's not doing what it should be doing.
Well, make it start again.
One of the units is not working. Check Joe's.
It's not. It's the guest room.
Check the guest room.
Sounds like it's running fine to me.
No, it's just going whoosh.
You have problems.
All right, let's see what happens. Make sure none of them are on cool. Sounds like one of them's in the cool mode. Okay, check
God.
it, please. Check his. Check that one. Check that one. Check the living room.
It's running just fine.
Are they running strong?
I'll put it down to 72.
All right, I'm going to do the same thing.
Now hear it? Don't know. I'll put yours in 74.
Okay. Oh, you got to start them all on the same thing.
What's 72?
Yeah, just to start them.
Alright, let's put the living room on 72.
Then you can adjust it. Remember how that works?
Let me put mine on 72.
It is.
Alright, they're all on the same thing. Now don't touch anything until I go check them out.
Oh, you're just dumb.
What? What did you call one of the units?
One of them's a fucker.
That's terrible. What
Sometimes one of the units acts up for some stupid unknown reason.
Never happened.
Screws up the whole deal. And none of them work right.
Ain't that a shame?
This one
Ain't that
running.
America?
This one ain't running.
Something. Uh-oh, my diploma. Oh, God. Oh, no.
You want to see that for fun?
It's the most important item in this house.
I was telling you it ain't right.
I get that the air conditioner's being an asshole. But that doesn't change the fact that you need to just relax and be a baby. And go sleepy. Nighty night. Okay.
They're not working yet.
Maybe they never will.
Don't say that.
Maybe they never will.
Tell me if any of them are running yet.
What if they never ever work?
One of them ain't right. You have to look at the fan speed, make sure everything's right.
And here's Curly. My hair is curly. I hear she wear curls.
What did he say?
She wear curls. And
What about 74? 74.
yeah.
72, you
Sorry.
Google. That's okay. 72 is okay, too.
Okay, Mommy. You do that, Mommy. This one should be cooler. These units are a pain in the neck.